Country 107.3 WRWD. It's Party Marty Mitchell. Time for another edition of Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Hi, Dennis.
Hello, Marty. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you, Dennis. You know, Dennis, I was thinking about when I heard the song Zac Brown. You know the song Highway 20 Ride?
I do.
I was thinking of a friend of mine who takes that ride every weekend, and he goes to visit his son, takes him out. I have to think how difficult it is for him as the dad. And when they're getting these papers drawn up to, how should I word this? When they initially have these papers drawn up with the lawyer, it is so important that they have it done properly.
Yeah, I mean that's let me say as an aside, I love Zac Brown Band, and I do know the song, but I gotta say, yeah, I mean, I think what that speaks to is a devotion that the parents have towards their kids, and I'm really intimately acquainted with that because we have a lot of clients in the exact same position. Now, my job is to ensure that they have as close to a 50-50 split or as much time as they can with their kids. And it's just so important. For the vast majority of our clients, that is the most important thing in the case. But again, as I've always said, it's so important to have an attorney who's a family law litigation and divorce lawyer drafting these documents and helping you navigate through these cases. They are worth their weight in gold.
Especially when you have one parent who doesn't want the other parent to have the access to the child, even though in papers it's their right.
Right. And again, I mean, a lot of times what they're doing is just to be spiteful. So, once we see that's the case, we absolutely put our foot down and do not allow that to happen.